Hey everyone, welcome back to Travelers Influencers. Today we're going to share with you 10 ultimate travel hacks for budget-friendly adventures. Now, whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time traveler, these tips will help you save money and have an amazing trip. So let's get started. Hack number 1, book your flights in advance. The earlier you book, the cheaper the flights will be. Also try to be flexible with your travel dates and consider flying on weekdays instead of weekends. Hack 2. Stay in hostels or Airbnb instead of hotels. Hostels are a great way to meet other travelers and save money on accommodation. Airbnb is also a great option, especially if you're traveling with a group. Hack 3. Eat like a local. Instead of eating at expensive restaurants, why not try the local street food? Not only is it cheaper, but it's also a great way to experience the local culture. Hack 4. Pack light. Only bring the essentials and avoid checking in luggage. This will save you money on baggage fees and make it easier for you to move around. Hack 5. Plan your itinerary in advance. Research the places you want to visit and plan your route accordingly. This will save you time and money on transportation. Hack 6. Shop at local markets instead of buying souvenirs at touristy shops. Try shopping at local markets. You'll be better off. You'll find unique items at a fraction of the price. Hack number 7. Use public transportation. Instead of taking taxis or Ubers, try using public transportation. It's cheaper and a great way to experience the local culture. Hack number 8. Visit free attractions. Now, there are plenty of free attractions in every city, such as parks, museums, and beaches. So take advantage of them and save money on admission fees. Hack 9. Watch the sunset. Instead of going out for dinner, pack a picnic and watch the sunset. It's a romantic and memorable experience that won't cost you a dime. Plus, you'll get to enjoy the beautiful scenery and take some amazing photos. So grab a blanket, some snacks, and enjoy the sunset with your loved ones. Hack number 10. Bring a reusable water bottle. Instead of buying bottled water, bring a reusable water bottle with you. Not only is it better for the environment, but it will also save you money on buying drinks. Plus, many airports and tourist attractions have water fountains anyway, where you can just refill your bottle for free over and over and over again. It makes sense. And there you have it, 10 ultimate travel hacks for budget-friendly adventures. Now we hope that these tips will help you to save money and have an amazing trip. And if you have any other travel hacks, let us know in the comment section below. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Thank you very much for watching.